Hello student, this is Mohit Sirbas. Today we are going to learn question number 3 of exercise 3.3. So let's begin to make mathematics easy. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. Okay. So I have already explained about divisibility rules. Okay. So in my previous video you can see. Okay. But I will tell you here about 6 also. It means about 6 I will tell you over here. Now next, see this. If any number is divisible by 6, that number will also be divisible by 2 and 3. Clear? Because 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. Clear? So we will check the divisibility of 2 and 3. If any number, those numbers are given. If any number is divisible by 2 and 3, so we can say that number will also be divisible by 6. Okay. So for checking the divisibility of any number by 2, we will check only last digit. If that last digit is 2, 0, 2, 6, 8. If last digit of that number is coming from this group, we can easily say that number will be divisible by 2. And in the case of 3, we will add all the digits of that number, and if the sum of the digits okay, sum of the digits completely divided by 3, it means there is no remainder. So we can say that number will also be divisible by 6 completely. Okay, so let's begin. So we will take first number. Okay, 2, 9, 7, 1, 4, 4. So we will check by 2 first. See, last digit 4 is coming from this group 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 4, 2. And in the 3, sum of digits divided by 3. Clear? So 4 is coming from this group. It means it will be it is divisible by 2. Okay. Now in the case of 3, we will add the digits. 2 plus 9, 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. Okay. 2, 9, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 plus 4, 23, 23 plus 4, 27. What? 27. And this number will be divisible by 3. Okay. Clear? So we can easily say this number is also divisible by 6. Okay. So we have done the checking. Clear? Now next. Second one, part 3 of question 3. 1, 2, 5, 3. Okay. See, after completing, it means after doing question, you will write one line at last. What line? Suppose that number is divisible by 6. You will write the number is, or you can write the number directly like this number is divisible by part A is divisible by 6. So I will write what line? 297,144 is divisible by 6 to get full marks. Clear? So you will add at last one line. If that number is divisible by 6, you will write divisible by 6. Otherwise you will write this number is not divisible by 6, like that. Okay. Now 2 1 2 5 8. So 8 is coming from this group, so we will say this number is divisible by 2. Now for checking of 3, it means for 3, so we will add all the digits. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 8 16. 16 cannot be divided by 3, so we will say this number is not divisible by, not divisible by not divisible by 6. Okay, so this number is not divisible by 6. Clear? Now we will check another number. 4335. 4335. See, if anyone, it means in if anyone number is not divisible by 2 or 3, it means either 2 or 3. If that number is not divided by completely 2, so we can easily say that number will not be divisible by 6 also. Okay, so here you are seeing 5 is coming at last place, at ones place, so this number is not divisible by 6. Clear? It means 2 and 3. If any number is completely divided by 2 and 3, then we can say that number will also be divisible by 6. Clear? Both. Now next number 6 1 2 3 3. So you just see last number 3, and that is not coming from this group, so this number will also not be divisible by 6. Clear? Now next 901 352. Okay, which one number? E number. Okay, 901 352, last digit, ones place number coming from this group. Yes, now we will go on next step, means we will check by 3. So add all the digits. 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 2 20, and 20 cannot be divided by 3, so we will say this number will not be divisible by 6. Now next number F 43850. Okay, so just check, last digit is 0. Okay, we will be divisible by 2. Now we will go check by, we will check by 3. Okay, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 7 15 plus 7 22, 22 plus 5, so 27, and 27 can be divided by 3, and there will not be any remainder. Clear? So this number is divisible by 6. Clear? Now we will check for G number. It means for G. 1790,184. Okay, so 4 is coming at ones place, so we will say this number is divisible by 2. Okay, now we will check the divisibility for by 3. Okay, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 0 17, 17 plus 1 18, 18 plus 8 26, 26 plus 4 30. 30 can be divided by easily by 3, and there will not be any remainder, so we can easily say this number will also be divisible by 6. Now next one, G. 12583. 12583. Okay, So at one's place 3 is coming, so this number will not be divisible by 2. So we can easily say this number will also be not divisible by 6. Now in the case of sorry, not in the case of that. It means we will check for divisibility by 6 for another number. I 6 3 9 2 1 0. Okay, so 0 is coming at one's place. We can easily say this number will also be divisible by will be divisible by 2. Now we will check for 3. So we will add all the digits. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 1 21, and 21 can be divided by 3 easily. Okay, so we will say this number will also be divisible by 6. Now we will check for J. Okay, 17852. So last at one place 2 is coming. So 2 is coming from this group. So we will say this number is divisible by 2. Now we will check for 3. So we will add all the digits. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 5 21, 21 plus 2 23, and 23 cannot be divided by 3. So we will say this number will also not be divisible by 6. Now I am going to write which numbers are divisible by 6. We have found already found. I am writing the number. See, first number 297144. Second one which one? F1 438750, and next one G1 179084. Now next number H1, not H1, it's a I 639210. Okay, let me check again. A and F, G and I. Okay, only 4 numbers from the 4 numbers are divisible by 6. Okay, so this way we have completed this one question. In next video we will meet with new question. Till then, bye children.